Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about something very tricky about smart switches, which I bet you don't know about. Remember our last video, we talked about smart switches, how to connect them and how to pair them to your app. And if you missed that video, just click on the link right here to go through that video. So today we're going to be talking about two-way switches and how they work. So when we say two-way, we mean two switches, or you being able to control your lights from two different directions. We have two-way, three-way, four-way, depending on how you want to take them. So just like these two switches here, this is already connected, but we want this other switch to control this same light. So that's what we call two-way. Also, in technical terms, it's also called traveler switch. These switches are one-gang switches and they're already connected. So you can work for one gang, two gang, three gang, and as much as you want them to work. So just show you how they are being connected and how they are being linked together to work. So these two-way switches, they connect via Wi-Fi, not cable like the normal traditional switches do, where you have to run cable from the, let's say, from the bedroom switch to the bedside switch. So just be working on something to show you how easy this is, because it saves you time, it saves you money, it saves you the stress of running extra cables just to achieve two-way. This works via the Wi-Fi. In our next video on switches, we'll be talking about Zigbee, so we'll work on how that is also connected. But these switches are Wi-Fi switches, so they work via the Wi-Fi network. You can see that this switch is connected. I've already paired them initially, so it's connected, but it doesn't control anything. But this one controls this light. So as I initially said, I already added this switch to the app and this switch to the app also, which I'll just control them. And I named this the master bedroom switch and this switch the bedside switch. So let's check this on, and then the bedside switch controls nothing. So let's go into it, how it's been made two-way from the app. So we open the master bedroom switch. Okay, so we have our bulb here. Then this pen icon here, you click on it. Okay, and you go to multi-control association. Yeah. So you can see it's a multi-control group. If this was a three-gang switch, you'd have seen like three symbols here, or two-gang switch, two symbols, four-gang switch, you see four of them. So just to choose that particular line you want to control is a multi-control group, so you have to just create them. So you are doing something multi, like two-way or three-way, anyhow you want to make them. So just turn this on. Okay, add association first. You click on link with switch here, you click on it. So you click on bedside switch, the switch you want to link it with, this is your bedside switch, you click on it and you see switch 1. If this was a 3-gang or a 2-gang switch, you'd have seen like switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, or whatever name you name them, those individual gangs. So you click on it and you can see that's added here. Bedside switch is added and the multi-control group 1 is on. You can also edit this name to whatever group you want to call it, but it doesn't really matter. If you want to do that, you can do that. Okay, so we're done with that settings, and then we can try it out. Let's see. Okay, and when you turn it off from here, the both goes off. So when you turn it on here, the both come on from the app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For more content on smart home automation and integration, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.